G'day guys, this is what I take camping and I'll show you how I pack it. Stay tuned and check it out. So I've put it into compartments. So what I've got over here is my electronics and clothes and things like that. So that goes my back duffel, that sits on top. So on the left hand side of the bike, this is all my sleeping gear. So we've got the tent, the little tarp for the bottom of the tent, the sleeping mattress, the blow up thing that blows up mattresses, tarp and the towel and a pillow. All that goes in my left hand side. This one here is all my cooking stuff. That goes on the right hand side. There's not much there. That's because later on when I put some tinned food in there and all that kind of stuff, I chuck it in that side, which weighs things out a little bit more. I don't put a lot of weight on my right hand side. For the reason being is my DCT is on the right hand side and that weighs 10 kilos and that puts a fair bit of extra weight. This is what I wear. This also goes in on the bike's left hand side, right down the bottom. What we've got is some tie irons, all my tools, and this section over here is what goes on the very, very top of my duffel, so it doesn't go inside, just goes on top and strapped down. So I'll show you how I pack it in and go from there. I've got my cooking stuff. So this little thing here is my little cooler bag. For my cooking stuff, I've got the basics of little pots and pans, a little pan to cook, the plate, and your little stove, and knives and forks in there, and that's all I've got. So I'll jam that all back in. And this will go on that side of the bike. And I'll fill this full of food, cans of food, meat and all that kind of stuff, whatever I want to have. So I can fill that up quite quickly, in fact, with just foods and stuff, maybe a few drinks. I want to have some drinks. And I also carry another towel. It's, I don't know what you'd call that stuff, like a chamois or something, but I carry that to wipe all the moisture off the tent. So what I'm going to do is start packing the left-hand side here. So first I need to put my tools and my tie irons, and then I'll follow with putting my sleeping bag, tent and sleeping mattress. Those things. It's my tent, sleeping mattress, my real towel if I need it, this is the little tarp that goes under my tent, little blow up thing to blow up the mattress, pillow. Now this is like a 180 centimetre by 210 centimetres tarp. So if you need to work on the bike under the sun, put that over top here, really good. Tarp on the ground, tarp over the tent, tarp over the bike, whatever it is, good to have. And that's everything in that bag. So I have these, the Moscow Motos panniers. Hell expensive, but top quality. Loosen up a bit. That's that. This is my wet weather gear. Nice and accessible. Just take it off, get into it. Away you go. So it's always on the back there. So this is my duffel, backcountry, 30 litre. And what goes in here is my clothes and other electronics like drones and things like that. So I'll start packing that. That's my clothes. This has got all my camera gear. So the drone's in there, all the stuff that sits on my helmet, mics and all that kind of stuff. Goes in there. And yeah, she's pretty tidy. Plenty of room. So from there, just wrap this up. Little piece goes over there. 2 straps out the back here. Just like that. And not yet done yet. So what we got to do more is got to put the chair, my 3 litres of extra water, and my sandals. Chair. Haven't filled it up yet. Oop, water went everywhere. 3 litres of water. Sandals. Just like that. And then we strap that down even more. Tie this one off. Done. And just a little bit more. So in my tank bag here, I've got my batteries for my camera and my helmet. Goes in there. Some extra little lights around the camp. And my little nav. My Garmin goes there. And then all I got is just my 2 litre water backpack. Mozzie spray, toilet paper down there somewhere, a lock, charging cables, and water. That's it. And my boots. I use the Tech 7s. Now what I've also got is these little side pockets. I've got 4 of them. I've got one here, one there, one on the front, and one on the other front. So I'll open this one up. That's my little go to toilet thingamajiggy. And in here, folds out to have whatever you need. So first aid kit for me, and I'll show you what we've got in the others. So that plops into there. Just like that. Clipped in, that's not coming out. So put my little shovel back in. Just like that. So on this side, we've got, so if I fall off the bike, this is my eastbound bike lifter. So it lifts my bike off the ground should I fall over. And the thing that fell down is my saw. And that folds out, chase people away, or cut up logs. Maybe you should use it for what you're meant to use it for. We lock that in, that's good. And on the front, in here is my tyre repair kit. So I've got my bacon strips, my air compressor, rubber glue, the bike lock that goes on the back wheel. Yeah, that's what's in there. And the thing on the other side is the one with cow shit all over it, is my electronics. So I have my battery backup in there. So if my battery goes flat on the bike, I've got a jump starter that will start the bike. And I also have another cable in there which is long enough to go from, if you can see it on the bike, there. There's a little power cable that comes out. You can see it? Yeah, there. And that plugs into there, and the lead can go up into the bike and charge things in the bike. You know, things like camera batteries or drone batteries or whatever else. So yeah, and that's what's in there. And that's the side pockets. And that's it. So heading off camping tomorrow. That's what I take. Let us know what you take. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.